Hey, fifth grade mathers. Okay, so listen carefully because we have a little bit of a different procedimiento, a little bit of a different process this week. So in case you don't know, I'm going to explain it now. But on your homework sheet, it says what for today? That you need to go to page 352. There's purple pages in the back. And it says lesson 18 and lesson 20, right? So that's this one and this one, okay? So it's page 352, lesson 18, and lesson 20. Okay, the procedimiento, the process for this week is that you do your math page first, so not the whole page, you don't do lesson 16, you do lesson 18, lesson 20. You do the whole thing first and then watch the video. That's only for this week and next week because we are in evaluation week next week. So this is your repaso week, and then next week you'll have a test and I'll make sure that I know what you understand and what you don't understand. Okay, so listen carefully, please. It's really, really important that you first do the page by yourself because it's repaso. I don't need to teach you anything, but I want you to see what you understand and don't understand. So you you do the math page and then watch the video. Well, why, Miss Jessica? Why are you going to teach us after the page? No, I'm not going to teach you. I'm going to check the answers with you. So when you send me your homework by photo, it should all be right. But not because you're cheating off of me, okay? You need to do it by yourself first and then check it and corregir it with me, okay? So everything should be right, but you should ask me if you have any questions, okay? But I'm going to go over how we do each one of them. Almost each one of them, like the summa I'm going to skip. Okay? So one more time, let me repeat the process. This week and next week, if you have a video, you do the page first, then watch the video to revisar your página and corregir your errores, okay, or what you didn't understand. Be honest, you guys. Don't cheat. Don't say, okay, well, I'm going to watch the video and just write down the answers then. Well, that's not going to help you. Okay, this is to help you. Okay, let's get started. So, if you haven't done the page, stop the video, leave and come back, okay? And then we'll revisar it. But if you have watched, if you've already done your page, aquí estamos, let's do it, okay? Here we go. So bye. If you haven't done your page yet, see you later. Okay, look at number 1. The answer is 16,672. That's 16,672. Okay, I'm not going to do that one on the board because it's just adding. So if you got it wrong, make sure you can find your mistake. What did you add wrong? Okay, but number 2 I am going to do because it's restando. It's 7,291. 7,291. Okay, so remember sometimes we can get a little confused when we're prestando with our borrowing with our zeros. When we need this to be 10, we put that as 10, right? But then cross this out, but there's nothing there. So cross this out, but there's nothing there. Cross this out, but there's nothing there. So cross this out, and it's 3. This becomes 9 because you're borrowing all the way down to get that 10. Okay? So you keep crossing out until you get to what you need, and then you go borrow from there and 999 until you get to your 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 3 minus 3 is 0, so your answer is 7,291. The answer to number 3 is 16,168. 16,168. Okay, so 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 1 is 22. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. Put down your 0 here. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 2 is 30. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 1 plus 0 is 1. And your answer is 16,168. I'm not going to call on you guys on these videos because I just want you to be focused on what did I do, what am I supposed to do, okay? So I don't want there to be confusion or anything like that, but I do want you to be participating and make sure that you have your book out that you're checking the answers. Okay, number 4, the answer is 151,101. That's 151,101. Okay, here we go. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 8 is 72 plus 8 is 80. 9 times 7 is 63 plus 8 is 71. 9 times 6 is 54 plus 7 is 61. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 6 is 15. So your answer is 151,101. Okay? Over here, let's do this. We know that the 3 means that this is 1 in our head, but we all know, we've all discovered, right, that these 1s are about the most, the biggest molestia of our lives, right? Because we're like, how do we know how much it goes into here? We can say that 1 goes into 5 times, so that 5 is not going to work, you guys. So let's just try 4. 4, okay, so I'm going to do it over here. 13 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have 52. 57 minus 52 is 5. Then we bring down our 0. We know this can't be 4 anymore because 4 is 52. So let's go down to 3. 3 times, let's do it over here. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. So we have 39. Subtract, this is going to be 10, this is going to be 4. 10 minus 9 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, and bring down your 7, right? 13 into 117, that's going to be a fun one. Let's see, is it going to be 9? Yeah, we could try 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 2 is 11. Woohoo, it was exactly 9. And so there's your answer, 439. Oops, sorry, I forgot to say that at the beginning to see if you got it right. 439, hold on. Number 6 says to check the quotient in problem 5. What does that mean? It means check this. So here we go, we're going to move 439 times 13. Okay, 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Put your 0. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. Add them together. Oops. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 5,707. There we go. Oh, happy days. Okay, let's keep checking. Let me get some more on the board for you. Okay, here we go, guys. Well, some of them I don't have to write down. So look, number 7, 1 minute equals 60 seconds, 60. 8, 1 hour equals how many minutes? 60. 9, 1 day equals how many hours? 24. 10, 1 week equals how many days? 7. 11, 1 year equals about how many weeks? 52. 12, 1 year equals how many days? 365. 13, 1 year equals how many months? 12. Number 14, 1 leap year, that's bisiesto, equals how many days? 366. 15, 1 millennium equals how many years? 1,000 from mil. 16, 1 century equals how many years? 100, 100. That's a siglo, right? Number 17, 1 década, 1 decade equals how many years? 10. And number 18, I'm going to do up here with you. It says a certain pencil comes 4 in a package for 75 cents. So you buy a caja pencil, there's 4 in them for 75 cents for the whole caja. Find the cost of 24 pencils. Okay, well, they're not selling them caja pencil, they're selling them in a package of 4. So if I have 24 pencils, how many packages do I have? I have 24 divided by 4, right? Because each package is going to have 4 in them. Well, then how many is that? 24 divided by 4 is 6. So I have 6 cajas, 6 boxes, and 75 cents per box. So that's why I'm going to multiply 75 cents times 6. So 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 3 is 45. I didn't give you the answer, did I? I'm so sorry about that. It's $4.50, so you need to put your point and your dollar sign there. Okay? Number 1 on lesson 20. Number 1 on lesson 20 is just a suma, so I'm not going to write it on the board for you. It's 2,137. 2,137. Number 2, again, it's a resta that doesn't have any zeros, so I don't think we need help on it, but it's $68.64. 3, we're going to do up here, but it's 1,316, that's 1,316. So here we go, 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 5 is 37 with a 0. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Here, don't I almost forgot that. So your answer is 6. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 13. And that's your answer. Cool. Didn't look right, sorry. Okay, another one of these with a 1 in front. Woohoo! So how many times is 14 going to go into 46? Let's count it maybe 3 times. Okay, 3 times. So let's do it. 14 times 3 is, 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 1 plus 1 is 42. 46 minus 42 is 4. Oh, by the way, your answer on this one, to see if you got it right, is 329. Okay? So we bring down our 0. We know we can't do 3 because that'd be 42, so we're going to do 2. 14 times 2 is 28, as in maybe 12. And bring down your 6. Okay, 14 into 126. I'm going to go with 9. Yeah, 9. Okay, let's do it over here. 9 times 4 is 36, so you put a 3 up here. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3 is 126. Woohoo! So there's your answer, 329. Okay? Look what it says in number 5. Your answer at number 5 is 812. 812. So we have the 7 right here makes this in my mind go to 6. So 6 into 42, 46 is 7 times, right? 6 into 46 is 7 times. So 7 times 7 is, oops, let me do it over here. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 4 is 39. So 399. That's going to be 3. That's going to be 6. Ooh, look at that, 63. So it's too small. We have to make this 8. 8, let's do it over here. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 5 is 40 plus 5 is 45. So we have, this is 6, and that's it. That's 6. Okay, then bring down our 8. How many times can 57 go in there? 68, only one time, we know that. It's going to be 57, so that's 11, and bring down the 4. How many times can 57 go into 114? It looks like only 2 times, so let's put that right there, 2. That's exactly 114, so your answer is 812. Okay, on number 6, it says to check the quotients in problems 4 and 5. So you're checking 4 here, and you're checking 5 here. Okay, I'm not going to actually do it with you. To save you some time, okay? But that's what you're supposed to be checking. Okay, number 7. Your answer is 12. Okay, how many months in a year? 12. How many quarts in a pint? No, how many quarts in a peck? 8. Number 9, how many hours in a day? 24. Number 10, how many ounces in a pound? 16. Yes, he states. Number 11, how many pints in a quart? 2. Number 12, how many grams in a kilogram? 1,000. Number 13, how many feet in a yard? 3. Number 14, how many years in a century? That's siglo, century, 100. 15 says to average, 938, 460, and 732. You guys remember what average is? Sumar y dividir. So you have to sumar these. 6 plus 0 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 3 is 17. 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 4 is 14 plus 7 is 21. And we're going to divide that by 3 because there's 3 numbers here. So it's going to be 7, 2, 6. 726 is your, ooh, no it's not. Ah, it's 710, you guys. What happened to me? Did I add right? Ooh, what in the world? Miss Jessica did not even write her numbers correctly. Ay, que pena. 938, here we go. 8 plus 2 is 0. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 3 is 13. 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 4 is 14. Plus 7 is 21. Now we can do it. And that's going to make more sense. Your answer is 710. And look at number 16. There were 17 children at the Sunday school party until 8 more children came. Think about it. If 17 were already there, 8 more children came. How many do you have? 25. 4 children had to leave early. So you had 25 there, but 4 children left. Now how many do you have? 21. How many children were left at the party? 21 children. That's your answer. That's it, you guys. Good job for working hard. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you tomorrow after you do your math homework.